What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Nice case. I think these are straps. So, alright. Scared to flip this. Wow, that's heavy. Counterweight system on the bottom. This would be accessories. It's a strap. First things first. This is just This is the top plate. This thing. Unscrew these little screws right here. And right here. Alright, now this piece just drops right. So, and then these just screw right back in. Fully assembled Flycam HD. The Unico quick release plate on, you have to unscrew these things right here, these little screws. Unscrew like this. And they're spring loaded. So just lift this piece up, right here. Should just come off easily. This piece onto this piece. Undo, quick release right here. Up, like so. So then you just have this. There's two screws on the bottom, right there. I'm gonna take these off and then put this wherever you want on the quick release. Unscrew these. Wherever you want, right there. So you want to flip it over and then put these screws. Look like this, two plates on top of each other. This piece you'll add later onto your camera. Just want to screw these little things back in. Alright, so now we have all this set up, and what we want to do is we want to put our camera on this thing. And I can't do that because I'm filming right here on this guy, so that you should know how to just put this on. You screw these screws right here onto the bottom plate of the camera, and then what you want to do is you're just going to slip this piece on, like that, and it's on. Close the latch. So on this little quick plate, there are two screws, one right here, one right here. You have to take out one little thing right here. You just pop this up like that, and then take the screw out like so. Also, when screwing this on, you might want to use a quarter. That's what I did to screw the bottom part in. It's a plate like similar to the Gorilla Pod ones. Looks like that, or a flathead screwdriver. Thank you guys so much if you enjoyed this. I will have another video coming out on how to set it up, stabilize, and results using this thing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, share with your friends if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video, and have a great day. Let go of everything.